So this here club car, we put a lithium battery in it a few years ago, and now a customer says it don't work. We'll dig into it. It's kind of intermittent. Wiggle that switch, it started working, and then all of a sudden it quit totally. Done. So we will get to the bottom of it. I'm guessing it's cable. It could be motor brushes too, I'm not sure. And we are at 98% on the battery, so it can't be the battery. It just quit. I decided to pull the little shifter lever off. I saw that the wire was broken there. Got it out without having to take the battery out, which was fortunate. So this is broken. It's getting a little tight. That's supposed to move back and forth. We'll put a little contact cleaner on there and get this wire strip back and re-landed on there. So I didn't get a video of it, guys, but I crimped the old one back on there. I spread those apart, really crimped her good. Put some heat shrink on there. I'm gonna put a couple layers of shrink on there to beef it up, to keep that wire from bending so much and breaking. There, that looks a lot better. We'll land that baby right there. So with this battery here, you gotta kind of roll it and down to get that out. So that blue one is the one I fixed, and that's how they're supposed to roll. But if they don't roll freely, then it's going to keep bending that wire. I think we're good there. Yep, she goes. Yeah, I'd say it works. That's crazier than the old lead acids. These lithiums are nuts. So that one's lead acid battery. This one is lithium. About the same year. Ready?
Okay.
On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. All the way to the floor, bud. Crazy. Keep going, full bore. Keep going. There you go. Crazy. Okay, you got a full bore. This thing's still nuts. It can pull the front end off the ground. These lithiums are nuts.